Base hit to take their first lead of the night. 3-1. Left side will produce a run. Drew a wide throw and got him on his way to first. 2 out in a 1-1 game as Jeter gets RBI number 18.
Well, you've watched Drew get tested, but watch him when he fields the ball. He's going to look, maybe go to third and then come back to first. And that's all about the rhythm of playing. You can make that look when you've been playing for quite a while, but right now he ends up with an erratic throw, and Stephen Drew's usually a guy that's right. You saw him hit the elbow right there with the tag, but he's usually on target. But I